Today we're going to be showing you another easy recipe that your college student can make. It's chicken and stuffing. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson.
I'm Reagan Peterson.
And I run the blog 365 Days of Crockpot.com. I share Instant Pot and Crockpot recipes on there for every day of the year. So today, in efforts to help this girl get ready to go to college in a few short weeks, I'm teaching her a few Instant Pot recipes. So if you haven't seen our first video, we did like a chicken and rice and beans with salsa in it. It was really good and easy. So you can watch that one if you haven't already. All right, so today's recipe is another easy one. And I feel like this is something that you would make for maybe you and your roommates like on a Sunday evening or something. It might not be, it's a little heavier, so it might not be something that you would just eat like on a weekday, but it's still very easy and yummy for anybody to make, not just college students. So we're gonna start with our 3-quart Instant Pot, and you can pour in this water. It's a 1.5 cups. And then I'm gonna measure out 1.5 teaspoons of this Better Than Bouillon chicken base. You could also just use 1.5 cups of chicken broth, whatever you have. I kind of like this chicken base because I just keep it in the fridge and it lasts forever and it doesn't take up a ton of space, but it makes like so much chicken broth basically. So, okay. And then what we're gonna do, oh, will you grab the chicken out of the fridge? So earlier I cut up 1 chicken breast into little bite-sized pieces, and it was raw chicken. So you can either use cooked chicken, about this much, it was just 1 chicken breast, or you can use raw or cooked chicken, either one. So we're gonna put that in with the water and the chicken base. All right, and then you're gonna throw in the vegetables. So how much vegetables is that?
12 ounces.
12 ounces. So a 12-ounce package of whatever you like. And this one happens to be broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. It's the one we always get, right? We always get these at Winco. They're like $1 a piece. And it's just an easy way for college students to get vegetables in their diet without having to chop and have vegetables go bad. So the freezer is your friend. All right, okay, why don't you open this up? This is a can of cream of chicken soup. She's gonna put that in. And while she's getting that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in this box of stovetop stuffing mix, and it's chicken. But you can use like the cornbread stuffing or turkey stuffing, whatever you like. And it's a 6-ounce box, so I'll just put that whole thing in. And then do you want to just scoop that over the top? We're just going to kind of like drop it in like dollops on top. Yeah, perfect. So while she's doing that, I'm going to read some of the comments that we got from our last video that we did. I thought it was really fun to read. It's really fun to do these videos together. Yeah. She probably doesn't think it is, but I think it is, because usually I'm by myself and it gets quite boring. So Craig said, no way you have a daughter old enough for college.
That's me.
I was like, Craig, okay. And then Cindy said, is the cook time the same if chicken is frozen? And the answer to that, Cindy, is yes. So in the last recipe we did, it was fresh chicken, but you can also do frozen. It would be the same cooking time. Oh, someone said, Julia said, you may want to instruct the students on how to use the Instant Pot, being sure the ring is inserted correctly, and how to attach the lid. So that's a good point, Julia. So one thing that you want to use, recognize when you're using your Instant Pot is sometimes the seal kind of pops out like that. And you just want to make sure that it's just totally snug right in there. And so every time I put the lid on, I just kind of like go once around making sure that it's snug. And then, do you want to put the lid on that? So she's got the soup in there. And you're going to put the lid on. Okay. And then we're gonna do pressure cook it just for 1 minute. So it's a very short cooking time. So I'm gonna go and, oops. Yeah, just 1 minute and then push start. All right, so she can go study, go take a nap, do something until dinner's done. All right, the time is up, so we're going to release any remaining pressure. Do you want to just press that button down? You can move, yeah, you just push it, yeah, like that. Just remove the lid, and then we're going to just gently stir this. Just make sure it's incorporated well. So Reagan, what are you going to be taking your first semester of college?
Like classes?
Yeah.
I have math 191 and math 290. Spanish 351. His writing 150 and then history 100, I think. Is all my classes.
She's intense. She took a lot of classes that counted towards college in high school, so she's already into some of like the upper level.
Yeah. I'm
College
going with
classes.
about 60 credits out of 120.
What does that mean? Oh, you already have 60 credits?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this on the plate. We're gonna try it out and see. You like stuffing, right?
Oh, I love stuff.
Okay, yeah, I thought you loved it. So this would be a good one for you. It's gonna be hot, so maybe let's let it cool down just for a minute. Okay, let's see if it's good.
This is really good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. So another easy recipe with chicken in your Instant Pot. This would be good for the next couple days for lunches too, if you wanted. Yeah. So keep following along. We'll be doing another college recipe that you can make easily in your Instant Pot in a few days. So see you then. Thanks. Bye.